Jamil McKenzie, and welcome to The Happy Cook. Today is our second episode in our 3-episode holiday series, and I'm going to be preparing a German chocolate cake. Now, this recipe is my most favorite German cake recipe, and I'm making this cake for our first responders here in the city of College Park. I'm actually going to be delivering cakes to the fire department, the police department, and we also are going to be doing something for our public works employees as well. So I'm really excited about this opportunity to provide them with something to make them smile and feel good during the holiday. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Now, the ingredients that you're needing to make the cake part of this German chocolate cake are 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 large eggs, a cup of buttermilk, a pound of butter, and the butter should be at room temperature, and 2 bars of sweetened sweet chocolate. Germans, bakers, they make this excellent cake, chocolate for German chocolate cakes, and I recommend that. Now we're going to start off today with 3 cake pans. I've got 1, 2, 3, and what I've done with these cake pans is I've taken a piece of parchment paper, and I actually measured the parchment paper for the size of the baking pan, and put a little bit of coconut oil on the bottom of the pan, and then press the parchment paper into the pan. Okay. And after you do that, you're going to put your flour. You'll continue. You'll put a little bit more if you want butter. Again, if you like butter, you like coconut oil, whatever you want to do, you put that on the sides of the pan. Then dust it with flour. This time we will be dusting this with flour, and this is how the final will look for your baking pans. We're going to begin our recipe today by taking the bars of chocolate. We're going to break them up a little bit. And we're going to put them into a microwave safe bowl. And once we've done that, we're going to actually put them in the microwave, and we're going to microwave them for approximately 1.5 minutes in 30-second intervals, because every 30 seconds you want to kind of take it out, check it. Today's recipe requires separating the egg yolk from the egg white. So the tip of the day is that I'm going to show you how I separate my egg yolk from my egg whites. You take your egg, and you want to just find a surface that you can kind of break the shell with. Just crack the shell a little bit. Like, actually put a little bit bigger. You just want to be careful just so you don't break the shell all over the place. I'm going to take this bowl because it already has egg white in it, and I'm going to crack my egg and let that egg white begin to fall into there, and then put the egg yolk, pour it out in my hand. Let the egg yolk seep through, and then I'm going to put my yolk in there. Let's try that one more time. Crack it. Break the top off. Put the yolk inside your hand. Let the white pour in there. And there we have it, separating your egg yolk from your egg white. Now we're ready to prepare the coconut pecan frosting for our German chocolate cake. You will need 6 ingredients: 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of pecan, 2 cups of coconut, 6 egg yolks and slightly beaten, 1 can or 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 1.5 cups of sugar, and of course, some vanilla extract. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and then we're going to take our 2 cups of pecans and kind of place them out evenly so that a lot of them aren't on top of each other. And then we're going to put this in an oven and bake it at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. Remove the cakes from the oven, and then you're going to take a knife and go around the edge of the cake. This is going to make it easier for you to take the cake out the cake pan. So delicious, and if you could smell this smell is so I just want to I wish I could just jump in the bowl and just eat it all, but I will wait because we want to make sure we get this to the fire department. Okay, and now I'm ready to put our third layer on, and this is going to be a nice high cake. Move that over a little bit and just continue. Frosting a German chocolate cake is not like frosting a normal cake because you're really dealing with this very, very thick frosting. So you may do a little bit of touching. Just always make sure your hands are clean because some of this is going to fall down, but I'm just going to keep plopping it up. So now I've got my spatula, and I'm going to start off with some of the frosting that fell off on the side of the cake. Okay, and now we have it, a beautiful, delicious, scrumptious German chocolate cake. It's a 3-layer cake, and I'm just excited about being able to bring this cake and our pound cake to our first responders and our public works employees, our firefighters. So we've made cakes for all of those organizations here in the city of College Park. Until the next episode, my name is Jamel McKenzie. I'm the Happy Cook, and I want you to remember always that the best cook is a blessed cook, and a blessed cook is a happy cook. See you later.